Alrighty, today we are going to be changing out the carburetor on our used Lt1000 craftsmen lawnmower. Well, yeah, we just got back and garden, it's just rained so much. And isn't that cool? Went so long without any water, and now we're getting it left and right non-stop, more than we need. But these things are just booming. It might be July 1st today, it might not be. Either way, it's close to July 1st. And we got the carburetor put on on that Lt1000 that we bought used. It was having some issues. Threw a carburetor on there, brand new on Amazon for 25 bucks. It's running great. We'll see. I'll keep you updated. I might need to tweak it, but right now it's running good. So I was doing some donuts here before the storm came in. But let's see over here. I got to get in here and weed this out, because these are pumpkins here, and I don't want them to get taken over by the weeds. Those pumpkins are going to be nice come fall. Hey, you want to see them? That's a pumpkin. 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 So, got what? We got like 7 pumpkin plants here. And the grapes are doing good. Raspberries, I'll have to make a video on the raspberries, show you those. Look at those. You can go in the garden? Hang on, hang on. We gotta clean out the garage first. Okay? Chickens did good. Got 5-gallon water, plenty of water for them. When we got back, they're fine. Rain's letting up a little bit. Got some goodies here. We're gonna take them out to the birdies. That fire's still trying. Still trying. She was running hard last night. But it rained all night too, so we'll see. It's starting. It might start. Put that box on it to keep the rain off. And I hear some birds. What are they doing in here? Let's take a look. Hello there, birds. Some good stuff for you there. Got their feed, got their waters. Hey, one of these days you're gonna jump out, aren't you? There's the Craftsman Lt1000. I ended up getting a new carburetor on it yesterday. We did a new shutoff valve, a new fuel filter, brand new carburetor there. It's running good. I gotta figure out how to make adjustments on it. It idles kind of funny, but it starts up every time. The old one wouldn't do that, so pretty happy with it. If you know the adjustments, I don't know, I'm going to look up a video, but if you know anything about it, comment below. I'll take a look at those. Raining. This burn barrel over here is still going from yesterday, trying to just kind of clean the area up. We had these 2 trees brought down earlier this year. Cleaning them up. Rain, rain. It's raining good. Out in the pole barn, getting some works done. Just put these new lights in. These things are bad to the bone, these LEDs. Really lighting the place up. But look at that garden out there. Raining. Just more rain after more rain.